Hello, this is Sam again, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about a few things regarding the benefits of the Zoomer partner to our operators. The operators on our platform use our application and they use it for the benefits that it gives them, right? And so we should be able to articulate these benefits to them, right? Whatever it is. So I'll take this in multiple perspectives. So Zuma, the company itself, benefits two type of clients. The first client is the operators, and the second is the customers, right? So the operators get the majority of the benefits in running their business, and the customers or the passengers get to benefit also from the effect of that, right? Because based on how the the company is designed to suit the needs of the operators, based on these, then do the customers get the residue or the what is passed on, because how the business is able to operate is how the customers are able to function within the scope. So Zuma offers benefits to these two types of clients, and more specifically or more grandly, the first type of client, which is the operators. So the operators run a business, and and I'm sure everyone that runs a business wants to maximize their profit and wants as much information concerning how their business is running. I'm talking in specific to people who actually own their bus fleet. You own your bus fleet and you have people working under you, and you would want to you would want to know how the business is operating on a day-to-day basis and also make decisions based on the company's data. With this, we gotta we gotta meet we gotta meet your needs in some way. And one thing that I've noticed about businesses in Ghana is most of them are informal. They run informally, and they do not have much records about the business operations, right? And this is a huge disadvantage, right? Because the ability to have the footprint of the business gives you a lot of benefits in terms of what you can do with that business, how you can project the growth of that business, whether or not you can receive loans on this, right? So Zuma offers a couple of things that I would like to spell out to you. The first one is reach. So Zuma offers a platform which gives you reach. You know, a lot of operators currently in Ghana are tied to their physical location where the business is actually at, and while that is good, you only get clients that walk up to you specifically. So in this regard, you are losing a lot of clients that don't walk up to you. Probably someone is in a different location near you, but they are not able to get to your particular fleet of bus to take your bus for the trip that day. So they went to a different operator in a different place. Uh, your physical location, your corridor, shouldn't limit your ability to target customers beyond that. That is what we are giving you. We are giving you an online platform where your business can establish its brand and sell to customers across the nation. And anyone anywhere knows who your brand is, knows who your company is, and based on your reputation and your services you offer them, it will determine whether you get more customers or not. So that is very crucial. So we give you reach beyond that, beyond beyond your physical corridor. We give you reach across the country. And also, Zoomer has inter time zone travel and inter country travel. So uh, that also, you also know the information of trips that are going across the border for you to know whether or not you may be inclined to also make trips across countries, right? So we provide that benefits in terms of reach. Another is money. So we give you the ability to know exactly how much your business is making, and we securely handle your money for you. So a lot of businesses, deal in cash only most of the time, and based on who you have employed for you and who you have working on you on your business, you got a couple of things. You either get employees who are not trustworthy, and there is petty theft here and there concerning the handling of money, right? Or you have you know money in the hands of people you trust, and things can get misplaced one way or the other. Money can get used one way or the other that it shouldn't be used for. In this case, since there is mobile money and card integration into the platform, all you just need to do is connect your bank account to their app, and all transactions will be directed straight to your account. So there isn't any middleman handling your money for you. Your money is straight into your account, and you can decide how to handle this in payment of employees and running your day-to-day business, right? So that is it. Handling of money is done cleanly and securely, right? Another benefit is analytics. Since we have all the data of your business from the past to the present, uh, you have that data, and that data is very crucial in knowing how your business is functioning and how your business is operating, right? So with that data, you can know the expected amount of money you can make within a month. You know the money you have made within the past months, and why that is. So what months you've received more clients than other months. You could project the growth potential of the business, right? And also, this can help in the evaluation of the company, what your company is evaluated as based on the amount of money, the amount of revenue the company is generating on a monthly basis or an annual basis. We can evaluate how much your business is worth, right? So that is a core core feature in the platform, because you have all the data on you. You know what trips are being created. You know what buses are leaving at what time. You know what passengers are booking. You have the information. You also know the routes that give you more money, the most money. You know the routes. You know the routes that give you the most money. You know the routes that slows down a little bit. So with all this information, with all this data, you're able to make strategic business decisions. A lot of business owners in Ghana, most data they have is the daily money that they make, and that is not sufficient to run your business. You need the vastness of record of your business, entire operation across the day that the business starts, right? You need all this footprint of data to be able to make strategic business decision, and this is what Zuma provides you. We provide you with a platform that gives you this structure to be able to make these well-informed decisions concerning your business. So that is in regard to analytics. We give you a lot of we make it possible for you to make good analysis of the data that are being provided on your platform, right? So another benefit also is that you do not need to have people on ground fighting for customer constantly. I mean, people are going to come to book buses. We are not going to eliminate the physical people who walk to your, the people who walk physically to your business or to your bus to take it. We are not going to totally eliminate that. Obviously, people are still going to come to the station, but the work of having to get users or get people to book your app, get people to book your bus, is the stress is going to be far reduced because a lot of people are going to be using the online method, and the stress of having to stand in the sun and fight for passengers is gonna be eliminated because uh, not only are you able to our customers able to book in the app, they are also able to walk to your business, you know. And one thing that I've seen is that, and a feature that I've integrated into the application is that I've made it possible so that you could hold, or like people who are coming in, passengers who are coming in, you can hold the seats so that you can both let them pay. You can both let the customers that walk into your bus pay through walk into your station, right? Pay through the pay by holding the seats on the app, and at the same time you could accept online bookings at the same time. So not only not it's not like the online booking is completely segregated from the people who come walk-in sales, right? It's not completely segregated. The people who come in can take their seats whilst you lock the seats on the application, right? So that the people online don't book those seats because you don't want a situation of double booking, right? And with this, we have QR codes. People who walk in, you could hold a seat from them. We generate a QR code, and they just scan and pay through the application, or pay using cash. And by that, you receive your cash, right? So we have that, the QR code plus the cash walk-in sales. Then we have the online booking also at the same time. So the platform makes it that the two systems work hand in hand, right? And you are not like handling your business inefficiently or ineffectively, right? So that is also one problem that we solve, which is the problem of booking and holding of seats, right? Another issue that we solve for you is the the problem that has to do with unloading all clients at one physical stop. So currently, how your business runs is that you put a bus down, unless the bus you wait for customers to come, unless the bus fulls, you are not leaving, right? So there isn't any liberty in terms of mobility or any flexibility in the trip or the journey that you have, right? This shouldn't be so because a lot of clients come from different places to come and book your bus, right? And they should be able to stop to stay at certain stops along their way for the buses to come and pick them up. Do you see where I'm trying to go out? So it's like, for example, if someone is taking a bus from Ho to Accra, let's say the people who are at Sokode Lokwe don't necessarily need to walk to the whole station in order to book your bus, right? They could book through the application, and Sokode Lokwe could be one stop, right? Maybe Sokode Gbagbole too can be one stop. Maybe Goal also can be one stop, right? So you have these stop points along the way, and these are your pickup points. So that not all clients have to walk to your station in order to book your buses. Your you can make pickup points along the way, right? You make pickup points along the way, and your bus could be semi-full, and you drive your bus to the pickup points and pick up clients along the way as you embark on the journey to the place. And you also have a drop-off points. So customers, when they come on your platform and they book, they select the pickup points, and your bus comes to pick them up at the right time, right? And we also have the drop-off point, and they select their drop-off points, and they can drop at those various points. So you have flexibility on creating of pickup points along the the route, right? How is this made feasible? This is made feasible by ability to create stops along the way, right? And also another way this is made feasible to is the tracking feature on the platform. So the platform has a tracking feature, right? So the users are able to see the bus SVG logo, right? The bus logo and moving along the map, the bus moving along the map. So they know exactly when the bus is going to reach a particular stop and when not they are going to reach a particular stop, right? So the customer is not in the blind spot, and you also are providing a service that is more efficient than having everyone on board at a particular place. Do you see? So this also solves this problem of giving flexibility to run your business. Also, aside from this, we give you the liberty to run your business from anywhere, right? So you don't need to be in the station to monitor closely what is happening because within the application, you could be in your house and monitor how many trips are being created, how many buses are being filled, what are the um, where are the buses current location at each time. You know which buses are leaving at each time. So we give you that insight into the business, that overview in the business, which is much deeper, you know, because you not only are able to monitor everything, you're able to monitor even where the buses are in the current journeys. And this, I believe, serves you much better than doing everything manually. And this is the benefit of Zoomaa. We offer you these services. So to recap on everything that I've just said, first is reach, right? Ability to spread you across the nation than your physical location, right? We are able to catapult your business across nationwide, right? So your brand gets noticed by the customers you want to reach, right? So reach, which is number one. The second one is data, right? Data to make strategic business decisions, data and analytics on the platform that helps measure how your business is doing on the day to day, right? The third one is money, handling your money. We securely handle the money. So whatever money is being handled in your business is securely transferred to your bank account without a middleman in between you and your money. Do you see how this is also beneficial? The fourth is flexibility in operating your business, right? And flexibility in creating of your trips, so and selection of stops along the way, which is the fourth one. And the fifth is the flexibility in running your business anywhere in the world you want, right? And the sixth is the ability to track all your buses. You are a business owner and you have fleet of buses, and these buses are your assets, and they make you money on a day-to-day basis, right? So ability to have insight on where where these buses are in every step of their journey is very crucial, and this is an insight that you have. And the seventh, which is the final, is the business now has footprint due to the large volume of data and tracking meticulously every action in the business. You now have a footprint for the business, and with this footprint, you could use to go take loans in the bank, or you have a growth potential of your business, and you have the evaluation, your company evaluation, how much your company is worth, right? So with this, you could get investment into your business based on how your company is growing, right? You could take a loan against it. You could sell your business also. Aside from this, you could also it's something that is documented, so you could pass it down to your children as inheritance, right? And every part of the business is recorded, and they have this data to make well-informed decisions. So these are the benefits that Zoomaa offers you an operator, and I know Zoomaa is going to improve your business drastically, and is going to make your business operation way smoother than handling it manually. And this is why I urge you to join the Zoomaa platform. The Zoomaa is a transit app designed to meet your business needs and to help customers book your trips easily through their mobile phone anywhere in the world they are at. Thank you again for this video. I hope to bring you more updates regarding the developments in Zoomaa. Stay tuned, I'll bring you more updates, and God bless.